In this video, we're gonna make an underground tech house banger. Like, for example, Sosa UK did in these tracks. So the final result will sound something like this. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal. So open up the new Masquerade pack. It got 10 Latin vocals in there. Let's use this one. Fit it to the tempo. And mix it. First, get rid of the low end. Bit of high end. Slap delay to thicken up the sound a little bit. Normal delay as well. And a sidechain to use on top of the drums. Then we're gonna make some cuts for the drop. So for example right here after 4 bars, make it unique. Hit the stretch function. Completely stretch it out to make a sort of vocal fill. Like this. Then add a sidechain to it. But we're gonna create a stutter effect with it, so set it at reverse and 1/8. Giving this effect. And slap delay. Reverb. And a normal sidechain to make room for the kick. And just a normal vocal after 8 bars. Like this. So that's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna dive into the drums. We're gonna start off with a kick. Just pick a kick loop from the pack. I decided to put in loops in the pack to speed up the workflow. First we're gonna lay down foundation with the basic drums. With a kick, clap and a head. Let's use this one. Just drop it in. So the foundation of the drums sound like this. Actually really solid, quite organic as well. So now we're gonna layer it with a percussion. So first let's use this one. 2 really short ones at the start. Just like this. Then we're gonna mix it with some small reverb and a sidechain. Also make sure to pan it to the right. Then we're gonna layer it. Pan it to the other side. Remove the low end. And just a bit of delay. Something like this. Really dope groove. But then I want to layer it with a percussive loop to add some more depth to it. Let's use this one. Hit it to the tempo. And it's really solid. And then to finish it off, we're gonna use the drum fill. Let's use this one. It's actually my favorite one of the pack. Got a really dope groove to it. So place it right after 8 bars. And then after 8 bars, just add in another head loop. I think this one is really cool, so fit it to the tempo. And mix it in at a really low volume. Something like this. So that's it for the drums. I think it's a really solid groove, really dope with all the percussions from the left to right. So now we're gonna dive in the bass line. The bass. It's gonna be the key element of the track. It's gonna be really groovy. First, let's pick a preset from the Masquerade pack. Yeah, I think this will work for the grooviness of the bass. So let's start off on the dissonant note and swing it like this up to the 2nd note of the scale. But drop it down an octave. We're gonna swing between octaves quite a lot in the melody. Then go up to the scale, finish on the root note. Again, an octave swing. And finish it off like this. And make it a little bit more interesting. So this will be the melody. And just duplicate it and mix it. First some distortion. Really opens up the sound. Then I want to boost the sub. And dip that high end a little bit. Also decrease the muddiness around here. Quite a big sidechain. So together with a kick. That's solid. Really dope groove. So that's it for the bass line. Now we're gonna dive into synths. We're gonna start off with a step around halfway, right here. So load up a new serum. And place it right at the root notes. Yeah, let's use this one. So first, get rid of the low end. Adds a lot of distortion. Bringing out the acidness of the sound. Delay. Reverb. And a sidechain. Giving this effect. Then duplicate the serum with the same mixing. And search for another step. Just like this. And place it right here. Again, you can barely hear it, but it really adds something to it. And then we're going to do the same trick again. Duplicate the serum with the mixing. And drop in this FM step. So these will be the in stacks. Just copy it over. So that's it for the synths. Now I quickly gonna arrange the track. So I quickly arrange the track, copying over the drums. This part. And disable the sidechain. And then to thicken it up a little bit, I added this really quiet string sound in the back end of the mix. Something like this. So that's it for the Underground Tag House track. It's really minimal, but I think it turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Tu a mi ropa es cara.